Tokyo, Reuters, U.S. oil futures hit 6-week lows on expectations major producers may ease output curbs on Monday, while Asian stocks and U.S. share futures gained on signs the United States and North Korea were still working towards holding a summit. The euro bounced back from a 6-1/2-month low after the Italian president rejected a Eurosceptic as a key economy minister, but his move was seen as triggering a possible constitutional crisis and opening the prospect of fresh elections, keeping the single currency fragile. Oil prices extended their decline from last week on growing expectations that major oil producers may ease their 17-month-old production cuts. A return to the oil production levels that were in place in October 2016, the baseline for the current deal to cut output, is one of the options for easing curbs, Russia Eurotrademark's energy minister said on Saturday. His comments came after the energy ministers of Russia and Saudi Arabia met to review the terms of global oil supply, ahead of a key OPEC meeting in Vienna next month. Brent crude futures dropped as much as 2.6% to $74.49 per barrel, their lowest level in about 3 weeks. They last stood at $75, down 1.8%. U.S. crude futures dropped to 6-week low of $65.80 per barrel, shedding 3.1% and is on course to post its 5th day of decline. U.S. S&P 500 mini futures rose 0.4% in Asian trade, but market holidays in the world Eurotrademark's two biggest financial centers Euro London and New York Euro could make trading slow and illiquid for the day. South Korea Eurotrademark's Kospi rose 0.7%, buoyed by stocks which are seen as benefiting from a further thawing in tensions with Pyongyang. MISI Eurotrademark's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan rose 0.2%. Japan Eurotrademark's Nikkei lost steam to trade flat and the broader topics dipped 0.2%. President Donald Trump said on Sunday a U.S. team had arrived in North Korea to prepare for a proposed summit between him and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, which Trump pulled out of last week before reconsidering. While we can't Eurotrademark say for sure how much they can agree, both sides seem to want to make progress said Nobuhiko Kuramachi, chief strategist at Mizuho Securities. Mizuho sees a 10% chance that the summit, so far planned on June 12, will not take place, a 20% chance of a truce deal struck at the meeting and a 70% likelihood of the summit leading to more talks without producing immediate deals on denuclearization, he said. In the currency market, the euro bounced back 0.5% to $1.1705 after having touched a 6-1/2-month low of $1.1646 on Friday. Italian President Sergio Mattarella rejected a Eurosceptic pick for the key economy ministry by the two anti-establishment parties aiming to form a coalition government, the Five Star Movement and the League. While his decision allayed immediate concerns of having a Eurosceptic minister in the Eurozone Eurotrademark's third-largest economy, his move created bigger uncertainties as Five Star leader Luigi Di Maio, whose party won the most seats at an inconclusive March 4 vote, demanded that Parliament impeach Mattarella. The 10-year Italian bond yield has risen 67 basis points or 0.67 percentage point, so far this month, on course to make its biggest monthly rise since late 2011. Its yield spread over benchmark German bonds rose above 200 basis points for the first time in over a year. Or if the Italian debt prices fall further, people will have to do more hedging, say by selling the euro and so on. The issue will be the biggest focus for markets this week euro. While no one thinks the country will default, people need to make hedging when they face sharp price moves euro said Takafumi Yamawaki, head of currency and fixed income research at JP Morgan Securities in Tokyo. Investors are also increasingly wary of Spain, where Prime Minister Mariano Rajoy is facing growing pressure to resign over a graft case involving his party. The spread of the Spanish-German debt yields rose to about 105 basis points, the highest since January. Euro is being bought back in the near term, but it looks capped at around $1.17. but we haven't a euro trademark T seen the kind of panic we saw before the French presidential election last year. A euro trademark D bet the euro will slip gradually then fall sharply a euro, said Kyosuke Suzuki, director of Forex at Societe Generale. The dollar rose 0.1% against the yen in early Monday trade to 109.44 yen, extending its recovery from Thursday. A euro trademark S 108.955 on optimism over the upcoming U.S. North Korea summit. Elsewhere, Bitcoin traded at $7,370, flirting with its 365-day moving average, which stood around $7,360.